Hey foodie friends, today we're doing it big. We're going luxurious with this one. We're going to the only restaurant in Costa Rica ranked on Latin America's 50 best restaurants.
This is one of the best fish dishes I've ever had in my life.
So does that make this Costa Rica's #1 restaurant? Welcome to Sikwa. Chef Pablo Bonilla is breaking boundaries by bringing indigenous recipes and ingredients to traditional culinary techniques. This has made Sikwa the first restaurant in Costa Rica to be voted onto the list of Latin America's 50 best restaurant, ranking at 47 this year. So come grab a drink and join me and see if it's worth the hype.
Here we go, guys. So, upon first look, this is the aqua sapo. It looks really nice. Ooh. First impression, very refreshing. I love the strong ginger taste, not too strong, it's not spicy, but you definitely taste the ginger water, the ginger infused water. It's not too sweet even though they use sugarcane in it. And you can just taste, and it's really pretty with the garnish of the beef tray, but this light, not too sweet actually. Like it's like a good balance of the sweet and spice, but it's more refreshing than anything. Yeah, it's a really good start for a first cocktail. Nice, light, refreshing. Ooh, cheers, guys. All right, so here we have it. We have the empanada here. It's made with green plantain flour. It's stuffed with chicken, and they have like a nice veggie chili sauce in there. Got this shrimp mayo tartlet with the ceviche on top as well. This looks really good. I love the presentation, how they have like all the corns under there. So colorful, beautiful presentation. Like, really love it. And finally, we have this soup here. It's a traditional bean soup here. Yeah, pretty much a soup pureed. It comes with like these little corn balls that are stuffed, and yeah, they're pretty much like a cracker that goes on top of the soup. And all this looks amazing. I can't wait to try it all out. All right, guys, here we go. Going in with the first bite. Well, first I'm gonna start with the soup just because I'm just the soup guy. You know how it is. Oh, pureed, blended, really soft, really nice. Ooh. Woo. Oh yeah, that's really delicious. You can taste the flavor from all the beans. It's not too thick. It's like a bisque. You can taste all the bean flavor. Very rich. Think of a banana sauce soup, but instead like all the flavors of this bean. It's almost like a mung bean, one of these little corn balls. I'm just gonna eat this by itself first. That sauce on top is really good. Like a nice little crispy fried dough. Almost like a falafel. You can taste all the herbs in there, all the corn. Oh yeah, the corn flavor is really good. You can taste like a variety of flavors. Not like a sweet corn. Nice starchy. Now mixing it up with the bean. Oh yeah, that's really good. Now this little fried dough, it reminds me a bit of like a falafel, but like it's not dry. Because a lot of falafel you can eat it's just dry. This one is like so crispy and firm on the outside, but inside is soft, chewy, and doughy. All right, next up, a little bite here of this little tartlet. Look how beautiful that was, super cute. So they have like this mayo shrimp in there, stuffed, and then on top they put ceviche on top, raw fish as well. So it's going to be an explosion of flavors, but let's see. Oh my god, that is amazing. Most ceviche you eat out here, with the amount of lime juice you use, obviously you can expect it to be very sour, but this is not too sour. I guess maybe with the mayo, it balances it out a bit, but oh, it's like a perfect flavor between like it's not too it's not too sour. It balances well with the savoriness. The sweetness comes from the shrimp. Oh, it's really nice. And of course the cracker, or the tart that is. Like a nice firm tart, not crispy, not flaky, but it's like a nice solid tart. I guess it's a coconut and chayote squash ceviche. So that's where the tanginess is from. The ceviche I thought was a different kind of fish, but no. So the shrimp is whipped into the mayo. So it's like a shrimp puree whipped into the mayo. So it's a shrimp puree mayo and filling at the bottom, and on top it puts the ceviche. That ceviche is the chayote squash, and I love chayote squash. This is really good. Now, finally, the empanada. I had so much of these in Colombia. They use green plantain for the flour. All right, so underneath of this sauce, I see a bunch of cauliflower, carrots, and yeah, they say it's a bit of spicy too, but we'll see. I'm not sure how spicy they do it here, but that is really good. The dough is crispy but light. Wow, it's like a good empanada. The outside is so crispy, but just between the filling and the crispiness, there's this thin layer of dough that's just nice and doughy. Yeah, it's not heavy either. It's not like you know, sticky or anything. It's not like it's sticking to your mouth, but it's really good. And that's just filled with chicken. It's savory. It's not creamy or anything. It's not full of cheese, but it's just like a nice meaty empanada. But it's not so meaty that it's dry. Inside is everything, and the stuffing is still, all the stuffing, everything in the middle is still very nice and moist. And pairing it with the sauce gives it a nice hint of spice to it, but it's not too spicy at all. I'm just gonna go for this by itself too. Very tangy. A nice veggie puree sauce, slight hint of spice, not too spicy. Very light too. I could eat like 10 of these. That sauce is great. Tangy and spicy at the same time. I swear it's not spicy, but the more I'm eating it, the spice is building up. All right, guys. I can't get over how beautiful this drink looks. The salt rim, beautiful. And the dehydrated star fruit, how cute. Oh yeah, refreshing. The salt spice here is slightly spicy, but ooh, it's like a nice tart drink. Very refreshing. Tart, sour. It's almost like a spiked lemonade with the flavors of the star fruit. All right, guys, here we go. So this is the entree. We got the baked fish here. There's a baked snapper. This looks really nice. Seasoned and marinated with 3 kinds of chili. Spicy chili, sweet chili, and some other indigenous chili that there's no English name for it. Under, it's on top of a plantain hash brown and stuffed with chayote squash, radish, and onion salad. All right. Oh, this looks amazing. Although it's baked whole, they managed to debone it. Debone fish whole. Unheard of. Well, not unheard of, but... Ooh. That's really nice. Very savory, nice and salty on the outside. Slight crisp to it. Oh, you can taste like the sweetness from one chili. You can taste the spice, but not too spicy. The fish is perfectly cooked. Inside, I can't word can describe how soft and moist the fish is. Small fish, baked, easy to overcook, but it is so perfectly moist inside. They probably wrapped it first, so they probably baked it, wrapped it in something, and then take it off to crisp the outside. But that is one of the best fish I've ever had. The plantain hash brown is nice, very, very crispy. The salad, refreshing. It's like a nice pickled radish, like when you get in most of your Mexican food or like the Latin food. The tart and sour, the vinegaryness mixed with like the plantain. It's great balance. Good crunch to it from the fried plantain, and good crunch from the raw salads like the chayote squash. That is excellent. So rare to get a snapper. When I think of snappers, they're usually really big, right? But here, nice and small, super cute. And of course, gonna go in with the best part, the cheeks. That cheek was nice and moist. Baby fat all around. You guys ever eat eyeballs? Fish eye? One of my favorite parts.
Does that look appetizing to you? Growing up, my cousin, mom, and I would used to fight for this piece.
Go, the eyeballs. You guys doing the eye? So good. So juicy. It's like all that fishy gooiness all in one. Just sucking all that out. Oh, pretty much just all collagen. Oh man, this is so good. I can't get over it. Amazing.
So that's a wrap here at Sikwa, a modern fine dining experience. This is the first of 3 parts where I explore Costa Rica's new, elevated gastronomy scene here in San Jose. So stay tuned, we'll be checking out Costa Rica's contemporary dining experience as well as a luxurious fine dining meal. See you at the next spot.